Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Honor 600 Pro. So first, what are we gonna do is, if you guys are using USB-C headphones, make sure to clean the charging port because dust can block a lot of connection. So here we actually have the charging port. Now, as you guys can see, we want to make sure that it's clean, so we can clean it with a soft brush or a microfiber cloth or an ink compressor. There's a lot of ways to clean it. What are we going to do next is we're going to go over and restart the phone. So now we're going to press the power button, the volume up button at the same time, tap on the restart, tap again to restart, and as you guys can see, now it is restarting. So now let's go over to the adapters. If you are using an adapter, make sure you're using a certified one or an original one. This is very important because we want to make sure that the adapters actually do not break down and that they are working properly. Some of them just can be broke down any second and you will have no idea when or why. So that's why we want to make sure that we are using a certified adapter. And after that, we can also test another pair of headphones. So as you guys can see, the phone has finally restarted. So what are we going to do is we're going to enter the password. Now we are in, and as I've said, test another pair of headphones to see if this is the issue with the headphones itself or your phone. Of course, you can plug them into the other device to see if they are working. If they're not, then it is normal, and then you should definitely check or buy a new pair. But if they are working with another phone and they're not working with this one, then I would recommend y'all trying to switch up the charging port. You need to do it in the authorized device service center. And of course, as a last resort here, for the wired headphones, we're gonna go over and scroll down to system updates, go to software update, and here tap on software version and click install if you do have the latest version possible to download. So now we're switching to the Bluetooth headphones. What are we going to do first is we're going to go over and go to Bluetooth. Now if your Bluetooth is enabled, then make sure to turn it off and turn it on. Now what are we going to do is basically pair the headphones. So this is very important because we want to make sure that they are paired. If you cannot pair them for some reason, then and you have them already paired, what I would recommend y'all to do is simply click on the eye icon, click on Unpair, and then pair them again. So that's how you guys can do it, and make sure that you charge your headphones fully. This is very important because, as you guys can see, if I wanted to plug in my headphones, then I would get the blinking light. These are the AirPods Pro Freeze. I'm getting the blinking light, and what that means, it means that the case is not charged. It's at 0 or 1%, and that it is not working properly. So make sure to charge your headphones fully. Sometimes they may not connect due to the battery, and of course make sure to avoid the device interference. And as a last resort, of course, the same that went for the wired headphones, we need to go over to system and updates, software update, and here we update our software. So we can click on install right here, and we are done with the software version updates. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.